What time is it? 4:45 a.m. Just woke up, or a thunderstorm woke me up. Just one lightning after the other, and after the other, after the other. Non-stop. Never seen a thunderstorm like this. Holy shit!
Get that?
Yes, I did. Holy shit! I was just right there in front of, right there, one thing with the, like near the basketball court.
Yep.
Holy shit! Wow. Oh, spooky. Did you get scared? The poor cats. Whitey.
That dry dirt, Georgie.
Yeah, there it goes. Plants are watering now. Never seen a thunderstorm like this. One thunderstorm after the other, after the other, after the other. Up like 2 minutes, or yeah, like 2-3 minutes before I started recording this. Thunderstorm woke me up. Never seen a thunderstorm like this. One lightning and thunder right after the other. Oh, this is starting to go away. Caught a good one. My cats. Good thing they're inside. Yeah, I'm shooting this part right here because that's the only part that's not covered by trees from this window. Shows that crazy weather people talk about sometimes. Oh, shit. Well, it's starting to fade away. I wish I could have recorded more. Yep, so I guess I'll stop recording now.
Area, there we have a severe thunderstorm warning that continues for Hartford County. Right now, we're seeing some pretty bad weather here. There's a report that possibly penny-sized hailstones with these thunderstorms near the town of Berlin and around the Newington area. They're moving towards the east fairly quickly at about 35 to about 40 miles per hour. So hailstones and very gusty winds, certainly vivid lightning too in association with these showers and storms. They're sweeping off towards Massachusetts, Connecticut, and they're also now bearing down around the New York City metro area. So if you're coming on in this morning from Yonkers or Queens or maybe around the Poughkeepsie area, do watch out for some really, really stormy conditions. Well, let's check out the forecast now in greater detail for the Northeast. And as we zoom in, first of all, to New York City, yeah, here we do have a threat to see a few more thunderstorms through this afternoon. And of course, we have a number of big baseball games going on across the Northeast, including the Mets playing at home at Shea Stadium.